Well, I thought we could do a little greenhouse update. Beautiful day out here. Got the cilantros growing, and it really tastes good too. Then here we've got kale and hatch chilies, and you can just look and see all of the new blossoms and chilies just everywhere. You see the white blossoms. And then these are the yellow bell peppers, and it's just grown, just shot up, and it started growing tall. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 blossoms. Isn't that beautiful? And peppers growing just on this one. And then we've got more coming out on this little branch here. Oh, there's a little one down there. How about that? And then these are hatch chilies here. And so they're doing really well. They're starting to blossom out, and the blossoms are setting. I tried a new nutrient solution, and it's really doing great. You can see the peppers are just shiny and pretty and just proud little guys. Yeah, they're just doing great. There's more hatch chilies over here. And then you can see them back in the back. I'll raise this up. There. Yeah, isn't that nice? And then we have the romaine lettuce. Time to pick some of it, which I came out here to do. And then more hatch chilies here. So you can see how they're looking. Aren't they beautiful? They're just everywhere. Yeah. You guys just keep growing up the string. That's what they're doing. And here we have the jalapenos. So I've got to pick some of these, but the jalapenos are doing great.